Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of skincare and beauty. Today, we're taking a close look at a product that promises to take your skincare routine to the next level: the Freeman Facial Love to Mask Variety Pack. If you're someone who loves to pamper your skin with different masks for different needs, stick around. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an honest review like this one. Let's talk about the Freeman Love to Mask set. This 14-piece kit includes a delightful mix of masks and skincare tools designed to tackle a variety of skin concerns, from hydration to detoxifying. Inside the kit, you'll find 12 masks, 4 clay masks, 4 peel-off masks, 2 gel masks, 1 mud mask, and 1 exfoliating scrub. You also get a headband to keep your hair out of the way, plus a silicone face buffer for a deeper exfoliation experience. Each mask in the set is infused with ingredients like cucumber, aloe, apple cider vinegar, charcoal, avocado, green tea, and Dead Sea minerals. These ingredients are known for their skin-loving benefits, addressing issues like acne, dry patches, and clogged pores. The inclusion of clean ingredients, free from parabens, sulfates, silicones, phthalates, and mineral oils, makes this set a safer, cruelty-free, and vegan-friendly option for your skincare routine. Now, let's get into how this set performed in real life. I love that this kit offers so much variety. Whether you need to detox with the charcoal mask, hydrate with the gel cream, or exfoliate with the scrub, there's something for every skin type and concern. I've used a few of the masks now, and I'll say this: each one delivers a different experience. The peel-off masks, in particular, left my skin feeling smooth and refreshed with a noticeable reduction in pore size. The clay masks are great for absorbing excess oil, leaving my T-zone feeling matte but not stripped of moisture. The gel masks are perfect for those moments when your skin needs a quick pick-me-up. After a long day, the cooling effect of the gel mask instantly calms and rehydrates. The mud mask was a bit on the thicker side, but it felt like a mini facial spa experience. The scrub was gentle but effective, sloughing off dead skin without causing irritation. But of course, no product is without its flaws. While the variety is great, I did find that some of the masks work better than others. The peel-off masks, for example, can be a bit tricky to remove around the edges. You definitely need to give them enough time to dry properly. The headband, though a nice touch, could have been a little more secure to stay in place while applying the masks. In terms of value, this kit is quite a bargain. You get 14 products, masks, and tools for a price that is very reasonable for the quantity and variety. If you were to purchase each mask separately, it would likely cost more, and you wouldn't get the bonus buffer and headband. So yes, I do think the price is justified for what you get here. If you're looking for something similar at a lower price point, there are other skincare sets out there, but I would argue that Freeman offers a more diverse selection of masks for all skin concerns at a very affordable price. It's a great introduction to facial masks, especially if you're new to skincare or just want to experiment with different types. Now, as for build quality, I think Freeman did a great job here. The masks are well packaged, easy to open, and the silicone scrubber feels sturdy. I've had this set for a couple of weeks now, and everything is holding up well. The masks have a good shelf life, and I've noticed no decline in quality from the first use to now. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this one. And if you're itching to get your hands on this kit, the link is in the comments. In terms of customer support, Freeman has a solid reputation for being responsive. They handle any inquiries or issues promptly, which always gives me confidence when purchasing their products. Though I haven't had a direct issue with this product yet, their customer service track record speaks for itself. Let's talk about alternatives. If the Freeman set is a bit out of your budget, there are other options, like the Yes to brand or the Ordinary's single-use masks, which are also affordable but might not offer the same variety. However, the Freeman set stands out with its broad range of mask types in one convenient kit, so it could be worth the investment if you're after diversity in your skincare routine. To sum up, the Freeman Facial Love to Mask Variety Pack is an excellent all-in-one skincare kit that offers something for everyone. Whether you're battling dry patches, acne, or oily skin, this set has you covered. It's a great value for the price and is ideal for skincare enthusiasts who like to mix up their masks depending on their skin's needs. If you love variety and want to address multiple concerns at once, this is a solid pick. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this kit or any of Freeman's other products, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. I love hearing your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.